If you'd like to change the pullover strap that you have on your Special Ops watch, it's very simple. Just kind of pull this up and allow it to come loose. Then you want to push it against the bottom hook so that the strap can pop out of the opening on the underside of the bottom hook. You get your pullover band out, and then installing your new color of the pullover band is just sliding it underneath into this portion. You can flip it over to the other side to make sure that it's aligned underneath, and then you just want to pull it tight so that it hooks into the bottom hook, and then pull it over here and nest it into the band.